Early glimpse of spring grazing. About 60 degrees. Nice day we've had all year, sunny. And I'm not surprised. I just didn't get to where I got them blocked off so they go around out to pasture. So they came around all around to the walk all the way around the lake to the south side of the lake. They were all bedded down here. Hate to bug them, but the grass is not ready. So I just got them up. I'm gonna get them walked around part way back, at least out of this section of the pasture. Let's see, I mean, boy, little glimpse. I'm actually out in a t-shirt right now. Little glimpse of summer. Just a little glimpse. Just gave him a couple hips. Hip. Hip. Come on, girls. Go get the bull up there and get him heading on back. Pick some trash up. Oh, April 21st. There's a little bit of grass here. A little bit of grass, but enough to give them a taste. I got plenty of hay to go into May, so I give this pasture a good rest. Nice to hear the birds. There's been some depressing weather. It is so nice when you get some sun. It just, man, it livens up your spirit. Really livens up your spirit. It's just incredible. Incredible what sun does. So I'm gonna walk them back up, get them walked up, walk them up the hill. Wow, it's beautiful out, especially after, Michigan is one of the most cloudy states in the country. We do not see a lot of sun. We see a fair amount of sun in the summer. Summers are absolutely gorgeous, but boy, the rest of the year, it's just all clouds. Kind of deciding if they're gonna go around the hill or they want to go up and over it. Got something over here they're eating pretty good. A lot of this old scrub ground, you see them eating a lot of stuff that you wouldn't normally think they'd eat. But it's like right now they're just getting grass, this warm hillside, a lot of grass here. That's a spot they sand themselves in the summer. Okay, let's get moving. Yep. Come on, girls. Let's go. Come on. Come on, get the rest going. You got a lead cow up there. Get going, girls. There you go. Sanding right there. Fly, lice control, all the above. They got that spot pegged. They go all year to that. Well, in the summer when they got the flies, they're dig in there. Dusting like the chickens do. Oh, she's gonna get right down in there, put her forehead into it. Oh, look at that. Oh, that feels good, huh? Woo-wee. Oh, that gotta feel good. There you go. Let's kick some dust on us. Dust over the top. Yeah, I see a few flies flying around. Few insects. Oh, there you go. Watch out. You're going to be taking a tumble right on down the hill. You get too carried away. There we go. I'm going to get in on it too. Okay, we gotta go get her. She's hanging back. The warm hillsides, they got a little bit of grass. All right, girl, head on up with the rest of them. Let's go. Let's get moving. Head out. Yep. Come on, girl. Come on. Let's get moving. There you go. Good girl. Good girl. Head on up the hill. Head on up. Here's the spot I got to put some fence stays on just to hold that up. This is where the thistle gets so thick you can't even see the fence. And that sap and all that vegetation pulls the fence down. That's what really draws your current. Come on, girl. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. I know. I wouldn't want to go back over there either. If I was out here, hell no, I wouldn't want to go. I feel bad pushing them out of here, but God, it's so gorgeous. I want to think it's summer. This is de-stressing. It's a good pasture walk. A pasture walk with the cows. Unexpected. I came back from hauling some equipment and hay. And I go, I didn't get over there and block them off. They know when it's time to go to grass. Come on, let's climb like a goat. Climb like a mountain goat. Let's go. Come on. Don't fall. Let's go. Yeah, come on, you. Go. Go. I don't want anybody falling, getting hurt here. You do need to get going. Let's go. There you go. Come on. Come on. Come on, let's go. Let's get her going. Okay, we got another sanding spot here. Really working on their faces. There's that honeysuckles there. They're rubbing against that too. Well, the bull's over there. He's going crazy. The bull is. Let's see if we can see him. Well, I got them halfway. I'll get them the rest of the way tomorrow. And got them blocked off here with a little electric fence gateway right here. So, boy, it's a beautiful day though. Little taste of summer.